want to see myself on TV.
I'm talking about Felix. Take it easy. Okay?
No problem.
0. Ball. Want me to slow it down for you? Slow it down. Too hard.
You're ready.
1.
Wait, I knew it was going to be windy. My hair goes in my No, but my hair goes in my face. Now instead of that, I had all my hair tacked out.
If it would have been Felix,
I'm tired of messing with my hair. More stress than I put it up. I hardly wore it down the other night. Holy, you have beautiful hair. Thank you. That's a lot of it. You do. I wish I had some of that. That's why my hairdresser won't let me cut it. It was like, I mean, regardless of what style you have, you have so much hair. She's saying it's easier to have it. I like low maintenance.
Yeah. The only thing with short hair, you'll have to keep cutting it to like maintain it.
Yeah.
But with me, I'm like, I just cut it. I just cut it. And then
You have a cute face. I'm not so cute.
all relevant.
Yeah,
You know what?
I'm happy to be healthy.
Exactly. I have all the cheerleaders from the Miami Dolphins cheerleaders from my flight one. Not 2 people on the plane, same person as the people. That's to tell you something. So relevant. Everybody had different tastes when they thought.
Do it all.
Of course. So it's like, even culturally, you know.
Exactly. Exactly. It's like what you know, some people recognize like a chiseled jaw or like
I have so many friends that see on Facebook from days gone by. I've had so much work with them. They don't even look like
Those people, I would never. I mean,
They've burned every one of these lines.
yeah. Not only that, it's like they have this appearance of a big mixed it up when you see them. It's like look like foreign film move, eyeball.
Shit. The first time it happened.
Tell me when you want to trade up. Be the bridges.
That he can remember.
Yeah, it's I feel like this one time a couple they had so much face work done, they were sleeping and they had to keep their eyes open. It was like the bar back. It looked like Wayne Newton, you know, yeah, you know that dark haired old guy, and he was sleeping like this with his eyeballs open. We didn't know if he was sleeping or he was dead. And then the woman, she one thing to her, she made her a coat. Okay. She actually, she had all this black and blue, because you bruise so easily and then with her. And she's asking me about what to do about it. I'm like, first of all, don't wear a heavy coat like that. Your body cannot sit there. Ready? What happened? I'm sitting here. It's okay. I didn't.
Oh, 6-3.
Wow. Wow.
6-3.
I got that.
Come on.
7. Right there. you. 9-3. That was it. 3-9. Same guy. 4-9.
How many different guys?
4-9. 5-9.
You want me to stay off the court? I'll stay off the court.
Next?
Someday you'll be there.
Yeah, maybe. I just come here to enjoy it. I'm not really. It is impressive.
Keep at it.
Yeah.
Try to,
That's 6. Home run! 11-6. Should be playing for the Yankees.
Second game that they lost. But that's not, it doesn't mean it's
odds aren't great.
That's good. 12-6. Nice.
You're lucky you make that shot.
All around. 12-6.
Wow.
12-6. Lower. That's what she said. 12-6. 13-6. You ready? 13-6.
Don't hit it low to the short legs.
There you go. So you go to the floor. You ready? Breathing?
Close.
Need a new partner.
Frank.
6 points. Seven points.
I tried to get into that. I took like one lesson and I'm like, I don't know. Yeah.
You're not used to the ball. You do it wrong. Your back hurts.
Yeah.
Once you figure it out, it's so much more fun.
I know. It's just, I mean, it's, I think pickleball court is practice.
People are nice. It's a mix of people. And you can play everywhere you travel to. It's so much good.
They have pickleball cruises.
Yeah.
I mean, it really picked up.
Yeah. Wow, look at that.
Wanna be nice, not do what he does. 9 points.
Got you on the run
10
now.
points. Abuse. 10 points. Anybody see it? Is it good?
Oh, I didn't see your green.
I think it hit the line. 1-4. Coming up with places for it. Call it.
I took the shot, I got stuck.
Sorry, right. Don't matter.
Felix. You and him? I gotta warm up.
Me too, don't worry about it. I only got one knee.
Hey, look, somebody left me glasses.